going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick Bartell, Editor-in-Chief for Techno Warriors TV, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at our first Thermaltake power supply, the Thermaltake SMART Series SMART RGB 700 watt power supply. So as you can see, this is a RGB power supply and it's 700 watts. And we got quite a few things on the actual box. We'll take a look at it right now. So on the top left here, we have Thermaltake Cool All Your Life SMART Series power supply and some of its features, including an RGB fan, 5-year warranty, KB Lake ready, ultra quiet 120mm fan, and this is telling us 80 plus. SMART RGB 700 watt, picture of the power supply here. Another thing showing off what this thing has. Okay, it shows off the color modes of the RGB fan that's included. And it even has a little button on the power supply. You can actually show everything off. It makes it really fun. Now, on the back, this is some of its features. Okay. So you can see this is some of its efficiency. We have some of the connectors that it comes with and some of its output specifications, as you can see here. All right. So that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing on the bottom, like stuff on the bottom here. All right. Now let's go ahead and get this power supply open for you guys. Okay. So here we have a Thermaltake little booklet. We have a little manual. We have a power cable with a little baggie. Okay. And then we got our power supply itself. And then we also have your standard little pellet things, do not eat, all that fun stuff. All right. Let's go and get this off. Open. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is a non-modular power supply. Okay. Also, falling out of here, we get some screws in a very small baggie. And that's so you can screw it into your case. So that is pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. So really nothing home to write out about. This is what we get. The Thermaltake SMART RGB 700 watt power supply. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. Okay, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hit that dislike button if you disliked it. And if you adore it, all you have to do is strangle that subscribe button, slap it in the face, and pow, right in the kisser.